In my fridge at any given time, you are more than likely to find a fresh chutney in it. And this one is a staple in my house, mostly because it contains a lot of my favorite ingredients all together. Super quick and easy to make, this is a great condiment to go on the side of most grain, lentil, or curry dishes. It's also super yummy as a dip for vegetables, chips, or any kind of cracker, crostini, or breads from naan to rotis to pita. I'm Claire, welcome to Eat Your Life. This is how to make peanut cilantro chutney, otherwise known as peanut coriander chutney. The best tool to use for this is a mini food processor or blender. You're going to put everything in all at once, starting with one bunch of clean, washed, dried cilantro. I've cut my bunch just in half so that it fits into my food processor. Then we're going to add a half a cup of roasted peanuts. Mine are unsalted so I can control the seasoning later. If all you have is salted, that's fine. Just don't add the salt I'm gonna add later. Next we have half a teaspoon of sugar. Any kind will do. Then 1 teaspoon of pureed garlic. You can use the kind in a jar if that's what is easy to keep in the fridge. Fresh is always great, just make sure it's minced or pureed already. And then the same with the ginger. 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. You can use pureed that you keep in a jar. Half a teaspoon of our salt. Chilies. Okay, this is really subjective. I'm using 2 green finger chilies and 1 serrano. I like my food spicy. Those are just sliced and cut in half, and those go in. Jalapeños are bigger and less heat. Those are also really nice in this dish. There just weren't any at the supermarket when I went to shop for this. Chili, spicy, less spicy, more spicy, I'm gonna leave that up to you. 1 to 4 chilies, depending on what kind you use. Then I have 2 tablespoons of lemon or lime juice, is just fine too. They're both really nice. And 2 tablespoons of water. All of that goes in at the same time, and then you're gonna chop for approximately 20 to 30 seconds. And when everything is nice and blended together, you're gonna take a small bowl and then transfer your chutney into that bowl. You could add a couple tablespoons of yogurt to mellow this out or make it creamier depending on your application, or even a tablespoon of oil to help make it more spreadable if you're slathering vegetables or meat with it. No matter your application, this is a really great snack for plant-based, vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free eaters, unless you're genetically opposed to cilantro, coriander, in which case I can't really help you. I'm eating mine with a little toasted fenugreek roti that I keep in my freezer for chutney emergencies. Thanks for joining me. And now please excuse me while I eat my heart out. So good.